up? Welcome to another episode of Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a cake that tastes like traditional sweets. This is a cake with milk powder. Not only very delicious but is also very healthy as it is made with whole wheat flour instead of maida. Not only this, but it does not contain egg and is suitable for vegetarians. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And now let's get started. So for this recipe, you require 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cup of milk, half cup of oil, 1.5 cup of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 1/4 cup of dry fruits like cashew nuts and raisins which are optional for garnishing over the cake. So guys, if you want the written recipe of this whole wheat milk powder cake, I have given a link of my blog in the description box below. You can go and check that out. In a bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt and the milk powder. Mix it well and keep it aside. In another bowl, take the oil and the sugar. Mix it for about 2 minutes till it forms a smooth paste. Add the vanilla essence and mix it well. Gradually add the flour mixture and the milk into the oil mixture and mix it well till it is combined. Make sure that there are no lumps in the batter. Pour the mixture into a 7-inch round baking tin greased and dusted with flour or lined with parchment paper. You can also bake it in an 8-inch tin if you want a shorter cake. Tap it on the counter to prevent any air bubbles. Finally, garnish the top of the cake with some dry fruits, which is totally optional. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 60 to 70 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. If the top of your cake tends to darken, cover it with a silver foil and continue baking. Once the cake is out of the oven, let it cool in the tin itself for about 10 minutes and then demold it. Run a knife through the edges of the tin and demold the cake. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.